What's out there?
No. Can I come out?
No.
Can I put my coat on again?
You can, but it's cold. What do you think, Pigs?
I love it. I love doing it. It's also, see,
Hello everyone, excuse the noise. We are making a late lunch. I've been working, the kids have been doing school. Well, Jax has been doing school. I didn't do any lessons with Sebastian. He's just been doing some like STEM games on his iPad. And it's a snow day. I don't know how much we're gonna get. It looks like there's, I don't know, 1.5 inches out there. And it's already almost 2, so I can't imagine we're gonna get too much. Probably like 3 inches. I can still see the grass sticking out, but it's pretty. It's wintry. I don't know what kind of snow it is, if it's good for going out in. Sebastian wants to go out and feel the snow. Oh, do you put on rain boots? But okay. I gotta get back to these eggs. Guys, not much has been going on today. It's just been a slushy, disgusting mess out there. We've had some moments of pretty fluffy snow. It snowed for hours, but somehow never got over 1 inch. I don't know. This grass was still sticking out no matter what. Oh my god, he made such a mess. There's food all over the floor. No more food in here, I guess. Anyway, I've had a label to work on today and it's just not working out, and I've spent so many hours on it and I can't bill that many hours for not having anything to show for it. It's just one of those sucky projects where it's just not clicking for me and I need to step away till tomorrow. Hopefully I can do that. It's just not working. So I'm gonna clean this mess up and then I need to cook something for dinner that nobody wants, because nobody wants anything and we can't get delivery because it's sleeting and disgusting out there. Nobody got to play outside. Sebastian went out twice just to stand in it, but I mean, it was brutally cold in the lower 20s and just slushy and awful. So yeah, it's been a sucky day, so there's that. And I'm gonna go clean up craisins off the floor.
we have no exterior decorations out there.
That poor tree's not gonna make it.
Oh no, I love that tree.
Yeah.
It is not supposed to be here.
The wonderful
I
tree.
don't even understand. Like, I can't see past right here. How is
Stand
it
where I
all
am
the way
because
over
you
here?
get the best.
It's a wonderful tree, but at least we
Can I get
we
the?
have new Christmas decorations.
I can't wait.
Oh no! Oh my gosh, guys. You saw what I just saw, right? So when we were eating dinner just a little while ago, we hear this sound. It sounded like firecrackers, like, but also like a sound like it's falling. And it reminded us of when ice would fall off our porch roof and go shh. But it was different. Dan thought maybe it was like ice going down the gutter. That's happened before. I'm trying to warm back up. But then I was downstairs wrapping some presents after dinner, and when I come up, everybody's standing at the window where there's a tree. Sebastian, just wait your turn, please. There's not supposed to be a tree there. We have this whole big patio, and then a little wall, and then a stretch of grass, and then a tree. There's not supposed to be a tree smashed up against the window. No, baby, please stop interrupting. That's our birch, and it is so weighed down with ice that it is touching the walls. So I go out there, going to look at the birch, and I'm like crunching my way out up the path to see, and I get to where the tree behind it is. And we lost half that tree. It just split right off. I just burst out, oh no, like really loud, like no, 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 no. I love that tree. I've got memories of putting the little baby pool under it when Jax was a toddler. Sebastian, baby, I know you want to talk, but it's really, really frustrating and I can't say anything. Can you please wait till I stop recording and then I'll give you a turn, okay? You have the camera the whole time, okay? I don't know what's going to happen with that tree, if it's going to make it. It's not supposed to get any warmer. It's going to be under freezing. I think we're going to get a tiny little bit above freezing tomorrow. But we might lose this birch too, and it's so pretty. I don't know. My husband went out to shovel the side. Does Ziggy want to come back in? It's a mess out there. So much ice. Come on. Do you want to go in? Come on. But hopefully there's no more ice coming. Everything seems pretty slushy on the ground. But yeah, I guess that's why we never really got past an inch. I know when Sebastian kept trying to go out, except for once when there was big fluffy flakes, it was just like, like freezing rain on him. I'm at loss for words, it's so bad. But Sebastian wants to talk to you, so I'm gonna let him give you his thoughts.
And I just can't believe they're happening.
What do you think about it?
I think it's bad. Cause it's been my favorite tree in the whole backyard.
The big one that split?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe we'll still be able to have the tree and we'll just have to take that part off. We'll have to ask a tree expert, right? Yeah, I hope that this tree makes it. Have you ever seen so much ice?
No.
Yeah, that's why we couldn't play outside today. It wasn't very good snow for playing, was it?
Yeah, but we got to cut it.
Yeah, you got to go outside and touch the snow until it started going pss, 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 and hurting your hands, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But here's how it looks.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Alright guys, we are getting ready for bed. I don't know what else to say. This day was not my favorite day. We loved that tree. I don't know if it's gonna survive. Obviously there was something damaged already if it was able to rip off so easily. The birch is just so stretched down. I don't know if it's gonna make it. It's still freezing rain out there. It's like coming down hard. It's like against our windows, and it's gonna be an ice rink out there.
Two robot. I got 2 robot books.
I know. You earned this one with your summer reading, and this one we found at the thrift store. But they both have lots of stories in them. We're not gonna read all those tonight. That's too much.
Look at that.
I know. Those are all the books they have. Anyway, we're gonna get ready for bed. Thanks for making it this far. Hey, what was that disgusting noise? Did you choke on your vitamin?
Yes.
Chew it, please. Don't keep it in your mouth. Anyway, yeah, on that note, good night, guys. Stay safe from the germs and the ice, and don't forget, wash your hands.